Hello and welcome to our bass guitar tutorial for the song It's Who You Are by Vertical Worship. This song is in the original recording key of B major. Now, the song starts off with an intro and a verse, as well as an interlude and a second verse that there is no bass playing through. So the bass comes in on the first time through the chorus. And what's going to happen is, coming out of that second verse, there's a 4 count that goes, Jesus, you reign over all. And on the 4, you're going to hit the F sharp and go to B on 1. And so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And so that's going to sound like this. Jesus, you reign over all. Now you may have noticed I am playing up on the 7th fret for my B on the E string. So on the E string, I'm hitting the 7th fret. That gives me B. On the A string, I'm playing the 7th fret to give me E. 9th fret to give me F sharp. And 11th fret to give me G sharp. Now going back to the chorus is going to be counted like this. So I'll play it once while I'm counting, and then I'll play it while I'm singing to know, so you know for reference. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And so that will sound like this with the vocals. It's who you are. It's who you are. It's who you'll always be. After that chorus, you'll go ahead and go into the 3rd verse. And on the 3rd verse, you'll be playing quarter notes. And so it starts on the G sharp, goes E to the B to the F sharp. And so that will sound like this. Seeker, finding the lost, Savior, bearing my cross. That was slain, Jesus, great is your name. And then that's going to bring you back to the chorus, where you'll be playing quarter notes this time through. And so that will sound like this. It's who you are. It's who you are. It's who you'll always be. And so you'll do that chorus twice there. And once that chorus is over, you'll actually be going right into the bridge. Now the bridge starts with quarter notes and it ends with eighth notes on the last line of the bridge. And so the first, yesterday, today, and forever is going to be quarter notes, and then you'll switch over to eighth notes to kind of build that bridge up. And so that bridge starts on the E note and goes to B, G sharp, and then F sharp. And then it sounds like this. So, Jesus, Jesus, yesterday, today, forever, you're the same, everlasting, never ending, yesterday, today, forever, you're the same, yesterday, today, forever, you're the same. It's who you are. It's who you are. It's who you'll always be. So that is going right back into the chorus and how the chorus ends that. And then there's just a little tag at the ending where you repeat it's who you'll always be, it's who you'll always be, and it's the same chords as before, so you just go back and repeat that. So that is the song in a nutshell. Make sure as you're playing this that you are really locked in with the kick drum of that bass player. So as you build that bridge and you're doing those eighth notes on the bass, the drum should be building up the intensity there, and you should be locked in. Make sure you're just always locked in with that kick drum. So that's Who You Are for the bass guitar. I hope that tutorial is helpful for you. And if you have any other needs for worship resources, visit us at pursuegod.org/worship or join our YouTube channel. Thanks and have a great day.